Welcome back to the Hostinger coupon code channel. Today I am walking you through the latest Hostinger N8N coupon code for 2026, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Using my exclusive coupon link, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount on every single Hostinger plan and service. And that's not all. You'll also receive a free domain name automatically applied at checkout. Compare that to a regular coupon code that only gives you 10% off, and the choice is obvious. My link literally doubles your savings. I've dropped the discount link in the description and the pinned comment below. The links are organized in order so you can easily find the one optimized for your country, your local currency, and your language. Just pick the right one and click it. Once you land on the Hostinger official website, head over to the navbar and tap on the services button. You'll see every plan and service Hostinger offers, and my 20% discount applies across all of them without exception. For today's tutorial, I am focusing on Hostinger's self-hosted N8N, which is perfect if you want full control over your automation workflows. You'll see all available VPS plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm going with KVM2 today, which hits the sweet spot between performance and price. Add it to your cart, head to checkout, and watch the 20% discount and your free.com domain apply automatically. No manual code entry needed. Pro tip: always sign up with a fresh email address to make sure you qualify for all new user benefits. That's it. If this saved you money, show some love, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep automating smarter together. N8N forever.